Hello guys, welcome to GT Fresher video tutorials. The purpose of this video or the purpose of this channel is to help freshers to build his IT career. Many times students knew that they wanted to do after graduation, like app development, web development, testing, IT and many more. But they don't know about where and how to start. So for those students, we have come up with GT for Fresher program. In this program, we are providing video tutorials for the fresher who pursuing a career in IT. In this, we will try to clarify the basic concepts in IT. So let's start. Today we are going to discuss Windows operating system, like how to install, how to configure and troubleshoot. Before that, I'll share some small information about Windows operating system. I know you are very smart and you can search it on Google what is Windows, but for this program I need to explain the small information about Windows. Okay, so let's start. In this lecture, we are going to see Windows history, versions, and editions. The first independent version of Microsoft Windows is version 0.0, released on November 20, 1985. The first version of Windows include a simple graphic painting program called Windows Paint, then Windows Write, then many programs included in that Windows like control panel, computer terminal, clipboard, RAM driver, etc. Then after that, Windows published Windows 2.0, Windows 3.0, OS 2, then Windows 3.1, then Windows NT3, Windows 95, Windows NT 4.0, Windows 98, Windows 2000, and Windows. After Windows Me, there are few more versions. So Microsoft released Windows 2000 on February 17, 2000. It has the version number Windows NT 5.0. Uh, Windows 2000 has had four official version pack. Windows 2000 available in four editions. Like the four editions Windows 2000 have. Windows 2000 Professional, Windows 2000 Server, Windows 2000 Advanced Server, Windows 2000 Data Server. So after 2000 Professional and 2000 Server editions, after that Windows released Windows XP and Windows Server 2000. On October 2015, 2001, Microsoft released Windows XP, and on April 25th, 2003, Microsoft launched Windows Server 2003. A notable update to the Windows 2000 Server, that the new manager manage your server wizard, that simplifies configuration of a machine to specify your roles and improve and how you can improve your server performance through that manage your server wizard in Windows Server 2003. Windows Server 2003 having multiple editions like web editions. In web editions, server having only 32-bit version. After that, Windows Enterprise Edition having 32 and 64-bit edition. Data Center Edition, in Data Center Edition having 32 and 64-bit editions. Small Business Server 32-bit edition. Then The last one is storage server OEM channel only. This storage server is only having OEM channel. So after that, Windows released Windows Vista and Server 2008. Windows Vista released on 30th November 2006 to the business, and Windows Server 8 having multiple editions like Windows Server 2008 Standard Edition, Windows Server 2008 Enterprise Edition, and the Data Center Edition. Also, there are some other editions in Windows Server like HPC Server 2008, Windows HPC Server 2008, Windows Web Server 2008, Windows Storage Server 2008, Windows Small Business Server 2008, Essential Business Server 2008, and many more. After that, Windows released the best version and the best GUI version, Windows 7. Windows 7 has released July 2020 2009, and after that, the general retail availability on October 2009. Windows 7 having 6 editions: Starter, Home Basic, Home Premium, Professional, Enterprise, and Ultimate. After that, Server 8 R2 released, and Server 8 having 6 editions: Foundation, Standard, Web, and Enterprise and Data Center. After that, Windows released 2008 on October 26, 2012. So there are 4 editions in Windows 8: Windows 8, Windows 8 Pro, Windows 8 Enterprise, and Windows RT. Windows released Server 2012. According to Windows Server 12 R2, the datasheet published on 13th May 2013, there are 4 editions of the operating system: Foundation, Essential, Standard, and Data Center. So we are going to look separate lecture on the server. So I'm going to brief you all the server editions and the server features in that separate video. So after that, Windows release 2012. Currently, we are using to Windows 2010. In 2010, Windows released on September 13, 2014. So there are some stable versions now in Windows 10. After that, Windows release Server 2016 also. Windows just upgrade 2012 server and add some new features in 2016 like the networking feature, Hyper-V, Nano server. So I'm taking the server class, the server brief class in another video. So you might like the brief knowledge on Windows servers, like what are the features in. We'll take separate class to the study in servers. So let's move to the next lecture.